As part of efforts to reduce the effect of the fuel subsidy removal wey increase the cost of transportation for Rivers people and to fulfill im promise to the state leadership of the Nigerian Labour Congress 3 weeks ago, the state government don launch free transport scheme to help carry Rivers people to different parts of Port Harcourt. Governor Simialayi Fubara, wey dey represented by im deputy Ngozi Odu for the launch of the transport scheme, come tok say im administration dey committed to improving the well-being of the people and say the scheme na demonstration of their concern to the problems of the people. He come beg the drivers and passengers to dey disciplined.
This scheme flagged up today is a deliberate intervention by the Rivers State government to mitigate the effect of these economic challenges. Therefore, it is a gift given to us, and therefore we must treasure it. Just 4 or 5 weeks of taking off from office, you're getting gifts, and many more gifts will come your way. As the earlier speakers have said, I want to also lend my voice and to let them know that this is a charge from the governor. The governor has charged the operators of these buses to be committed and dedicated and show due diligence in their duties, and also to ensure that they adhere strictly to the rules of engagement of whatever they're supposed to do, whatever they are directed, word to word, letter to letter. We must show that we are disciplined and very committed persons. I therefore also state, through the directives of my principal, that the same vein we call on the public, who are the end users of this scheme, to conduct themselves with decorum to ensure maximum benefit from this intervention. Let us show that we are disciplined people. Let us behave as if it was war against indiscipline. Queue when we are to queue, get into the bus when we can get into the bus. If the bus is full, we don't need to struggle to get into it.
For the operation of the scheme, 17 buses of at least 48 seaters each don already dey marked for different routes inside Port Harcourt, including picking and dropping off workers for the State Secretariat complex. The Commissioner for Transport, Jacob Sinumbina, and the state's head of service, George Nwaike, chook mouth on the operation of the scheme.
This scheme is not for workers alone, it is for entire state, including students in tertiary institutions or in secondary school. Everybody, that is the purpose for this scheme you have run. This is a clear demonstration that you meant well for Rivers people, and that is why you match your words with action. You promise and you do it the following day.
My office will work with the office of the Commissioner for Transport to ensure that in each of those bus stops there will be orderliness. People should imbibe that culture of discipline. We will not allow people to just stay like a mob. Let us respect this particular kind gesture of His Excellency by also conducting ourselves at each of those bus stops and each of those routes that these vehicles will ply.
The leadership of the organized labor for the state wey tanda for the unveiling ceremony contrary salute for this gesture by the state government.
These are the kind of schemes we expect the federal government to embark on to reduce the impact of subsidy removal on the Nigerian masses. So I want to appreciate our governor for embarking on this scheme, for reducing the impact of transport fare in Rivers State workers. So we are very happy with this scheme and we are willing to support it to any level.
The Trade Union Congress of Nigeria Rivers State chapter is happy. We want to thank the governor for his magnanimity, for being proactive, for being sensitive to the pulse, the suffering of workers in Rivers State, and also to the sufferings of Rivers people, for thinking for us, because we primarily did not ask for this, and the governor in his magnanimity provided it. So we are very happy that he took this giant stride, and this simply tells us that we have a transformational governor who is willing and ready to make the living conditions of Rivers people better.
From Rivers State, A. Carter Ojisole, TMC TV News.